matunguna. Dumele, dumele mo matunguna. Dumele. Asem Sorongina.
We want maybe so we get double dose. Let me come black say we start all over again because I know the first dose when first this morning I will come back and give him this is a double. You know they took the plenty for me. So I say welcome again to the program. Good morning from Benin. They go fit us say yes, maybe they stop us. They not go fit. They go only fit slow us. But that one say no go show be say we they go and they say where will they go now? Where they say will they go? So we don't start since for the program. Good morning from Benin, but we take small break, we'll put some things right for you and I. So I thought of go fit enjoy the program together. The way it's supposed to be. Then they come back and say, you see us just now, you know, see us again. This is abracadabra. Me and my brother sitting for house here. You know, me and Hillary all the others and first start before Victor Rio. They with us the airport. They do something for back. I need to flip my hand away. So, Rio, good morning.
Good morning.
And the hot of it?
No, not the hot. Cool, well.
Take time.
Oh, dear, come on.
I they talk about Benin. Say, every no matter where I talk about Benin. Okay, but that was not because.
No. Prayer.
Okay. Oh.
Good prayer.
You see, when we start just now, they look about my brother Hillary and I bring the matter up. They look about the cutoff mark when it be say they can reduce from wherever I did before to 120 for universities across the country, then 100 for polytechnics. And don't forget, say at the time, cutoff mark ferry 200. But the one first day, last before the car comes out, we are 180. And if I don't make mistake, this is now 180 over 400 if I don't make mistake. Abi? Now they call reducer to 100 for university and 120 for university, then 100 for polytechnic. Well, I can't ask myself now, say, what in this one gets to do with our education system? But if I ask that time, that made me say ask you first before I go make it.
Not be news.
I demand no answer.
If you answer me.
Okay.
Not be news. Over time, we don't say we the things say na play na be. It don't dey clear to us now say we get government. We don't know where to take people to. We get government. We don't even know where in they go. We get government.
May you wait first. The government now waiting, it will make the country better for us in the plan.
Okay.
So I want to make you narrow.
Inside.
May you narrow and come this matter when they talk now. Where we say it concern the cutoff mark. You know, physically.
No, you say when concern education. When they give a cutoff mark.
Okay.
When concern education. Any country will not take education as a priority. Will not take it serious. Now that country now is set for doom. God forbid. Now that country now is set for destruction. For 180, we dey even dey complain when they do am some years back. Say
too low.
Say e don too dey low. Say our education dey drop. We dey for system where person go graduate come and get first degree, not go even fit write im name. We get system where person go get first degree, get second degree, to even fit express himself for public na problem. Furthermore, as if that one no reach, federal government come out again to say cut-off mark now for Nigeria universities now 120. Whether they want to take favor one person or that they want to take favor another, that one not be my business. It also goes to show, say, the government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria at all level, whether for federal, whether for state, or whether for local government, now one road all of them draw. Look at the qualification for you to become government, for you to become president for this country. Now then you go tell no, say we government never ready. Country where they say for you to become president, they will say OND. Now you go get as qualification for you to qualify to contest as president for country where we say elites day, country where we say professors day. You will get OND. What do you get to offer people where we say their brain, they don't read book over time, over years? Not until we begin to look at, not until we begin to look at like play. exam malpractice na inside here from the comment. We talk about malpractice time ago because primary 6 exam wey dem do for Edo State. We talk all this one na factor wey dey bring am out. You no dey base education on merit again. You no dey allow students to know again say for me to fit to get good grades for my exams I need to read. I need to read. Those ones don die. And once education dey die for any country, na the country
now they affect
they go down.
Now, no here what Victor get to talk for this matter when we say concern the cut-off mark when they reduce to 120 for university and 100 for polytechnics.
Well, the cut-off mark, me I dey surprise say people the way people take carry am for her say as if na better thing wey be like say na wetin the people we don dey expect or na wetin we go carry people go forward or carry them go back. E surprise me say wetin government suppose to concentrate on to do for the people wey go favour the masses well well, they no dey do am. We dey see protests here and there. Why? Because people no get money. People are hungry. Education dey there. How many people dey even dey go to school sef?
I don't understand you.
How many people dey go school?
I don't understand you.
Education e get limit. Some people go they no go even fit go and finish the rest. Some people dey wey they no even get the brain to go.
Some people wey go and finish sef they no still get work.
They no still get work.
Okay, you dey talk now say because people no dey go school, make the cut-off man make dey reduce, make even come 20 sef.
You go people even to maybe this year now they maybe throughout the federation 5,000 or 3,000 fit graduate. At the end of the day they no go get work. But I go tell you say these people wey go finish, wey go graduate, wey no go get work, know how wey they no go eat, know how wey they no go like to do something wey go make them live better life. So whether education or reduce or not reduce, me I no see am say na priority for this country.
So even say if they even close all the school for every country, no concern you.
So far make people make them make food for people, make people dey live well.
So if I like,
because now
if they like they close the school,
who dey hungry no go fit go, you no fit reach.
Okay.
That na just the fact. Whether they reduce am or they no reduce am, you no go come make people now say if they graduate tomorrow you come give them work. You no go make people say tomorrow night if they graduate they come see food they eat. No. Make them think of how people take dey live well, they eat well. Now who eat belle full? Why go fit read?
But you go still know, when they grow up, they tell us say education is the best legacy anybody can give to the children. And any country when BCA say not educated, they backward.
See people, if you go I need to change to light.
Technical issue will come, but we go always surmount them, and we know say yes, we go put things rightly for us. When we say yes, you go enjoy us better than you did now. Really, you talk about something. Say if possible, say now one person say eat well.
Yes, if you say me, you check records. Even some of these are leaders, where they rule us today. Many of them, which school they go?
Many of them.
They feel rule us well. Not because they not go school.
It's not be school.
Listen,
you get one of my friend. May I tell you? You get one of my friend. He say he marry, his wife na graduate, but he not be graduate. He say the time when they plan to marry, he say if he marry, he want marry graduate. A graduate, he want make him marry. So I ain't go learn from her. But the time we can't take marry now, he can't marry graduate. Now he dey talk now say, they say you know say now so people we go school now so they take they think and so they take they behave. If for kuku go look for no just go school. because
he thought they go to reason the same way.
He go to reason the same way because now he can't discover and say the graduate wey go marry.
Even come become problem to us.
Problem. You know they even the reason.
Victor,
he express say he go to the reason.
You see that the way you bring so. He not get anything to do with Nigerian education.
Wetin I try to
the time wey we dey so na brain na dey rule the world now. Ideas. Wetin your brain go fit do? Small children don dey invent things.
For China,
for
Japan, and
travel comot now. Make you travel comot. Thomas don travel. He don go Dubai. Thomas don go some countries. Make you use the mouth talk wetin he dey see. Wey small children because dem go school. Because dem go school. Listen, wait. For you to come dey marry our Nigerian education to person wey say he want to marry graduate to say he no for not marry. If for marry person wey not go school like him, na the mentality wey we government get na be that.
See, Victor, wait, we might tell you one thing. You dey for television today when people dey watch us and because of technology, because people go school.
Because people go school.
You understand? We able to hear now. You wear microphone for your chest now. So people dey hear you well because of technology.
The mic wey you wear say you no get wire.
You understand?
You no get wire.
You understand?
But people dey hear you. Na technology. Na
you get wire.
Now you put wire.
Na you get wire.
Okay.
May not mislead people. You get wire.
Okay, make we talk now. You say no. You say wireless microphone. You dey see them and the rest. So what I try to say in SNBC, you cannot wish away education like that. Whether we like them or not. Like Hillary talk, by God's grace, I don't have for television, I don't have for paper, I don't have for paper, I don't have for this.
I not saying they remove education.
No, not because now you
do
that.
Wait, I not saying that.
But you say yes,
not
education
person just say now if not be this.
No, you say
there are a lot of things.
Education will be priority. Like wait first, like what?
The education one that they would talk about now.
Do you know that? Wait first.
How people come to the benefits? People who graduate from school 20 years, 30 years, 15, 20 years, they will their house.
Wait, may you wait first.
Okay, the school where you go, you know, we feel okay. What you learn?
Where you put into practice. Okay. Wait first. Now, I tell you one thing. Whether you will like it or not. If you are talking, wait first now. Whether you will like it or not. The truth they say, education I want to say we need. And if you get the education wrongly, you don't get good doctor. You don't get good engineers.
You don't get good roads.
You don't get good not the engineers.
Now we do so.
You don't get anything good. Why? Because of say the education don't do 40. Education don't get 40 foundation. Now more even look at even if they put the cutoff mark at 127 like they do now. Let's look at one other thing. Down, Mr. Yes, at the end of the day, we can't get many people that when we say go seek admission. You understand? Because the first thing before say if your cutoff man reach 180, not just near the say want to
not done near university.
Not just near university. People don't get 178, even 179, not just apply at all. Then the number don't reduce. You understand? They can't cut the number. They can't be 120. Now the people when Mr. Yes say it go come before, they'll come plenty where. Listen, that time will be 180 because of the number of space when we say you did for school. All of them they give all of the admission. You understand?
Yes.
And to even reduce the admission now, you can't go do post UME to cut down the intake. You understand? Because why? Because there is no space to put them. Now you are saying you reduce the cutoff mark to 120. More people don't come now. They won't come out. Then post-UME don't already come through. Post-UME yes. Now. By application now, even the standard of the school, even the school when we say yes, you want to go do the post-UME now, they get their own cutoff mark.
Exactly.
By application, they want to make the schools they're richer. Because you go collect money for people before you go do ETA school now, you go do post-UME examination. And when you do now, you must pay some money before you go do. By application, more people can apply, more money will come. But one thing remains, the number of space they will give you for admission, it never increase.
It now increase.
You don't understand? It not increase. By application now, even the body won't increase on the people who are there for this thing. And if at all, at the end of the day, because don't even wait till you know, I think they give you the work now or give you the admission, now who you know. They can't give you with 120, you can't enter school. You are really telling me now, say, look at more, at 180 or thereabout, maybe 200, that be 50%. If you get 50%, you understand? 180, maybe if you get 48%. You hear me so? Now you don't reduce it now to 120. That is 30%. That be pass.
30% now
That be
pass
pass mark.
for Nigeria.
30%.
30%.
That be pass mark. That be what you don't. That be what you don't become now. 30%.
Okay.
And if you get this 30%, that say this thing now, how come they wonder now? Say by the time you will start with your mates them when they say it day for this thing, they for other schools them, for abroad, Europe, and even Africa here. People they run the commode, they go Ghana here. If they want to go to school because why? Because of the poor state of our education here. What I think they say, yes, say they would have think of a way of even increasing
The cutoff mark.
To
make people serious for education.
you understand? Now
There are
you
build
reduce-
infrastructures for universities.
That is it. Because now they reduce
now
them.
go school matter. May I tell you?
May I tell you one thing?
School
Victor,
matter now something wey you get to do with mind.
Victor, may I tell you one thing? If you no go school, at the end of the day, you set up any business, you get money over everywhere, anywhere you want to get more. We don't want to discuss that one now. You set up business, people when you go to school, you go employment, they come do your work for you.
Yes.
You understand? Now they come do your work for you. And because you no go to school, they go to bamboozle you anyhowly.
No,
and the rest,
not everybody.
That they tell you. And they tell
You
you.
get some people wey no go school. You no go fit treat them.
See, this is, you are talking about isolated cases. Wetin dey people?
Lis ten,
You understand? Few people.
may I tell you this thing wey you just dey talk so whether they even do cut off mark, they no got cut off mark, you go get some people now sef they go even get the admission at the end of the day, not be wetin I go even tell you, you dey see am. So just say as a school dey on now, any
School, you know, see, I say because the education and school every day on the day now. They don't know.
so
School dey
I
every
say
day sef, and they
maybe if school dey home now exam dey come, any little I dey one filling station one day as I did there because say dem dey strike, the girl just hear say they don call up strike, so one of the staff there just dey happy. He say no, he come dey sad, he say he never read o na exam na we just dey start exam next month. I come ask am say so because say school dey strike since then na you no wan read. He say no be that one, na him wan do am. And I say even when whether dem dey strike or dem no dey strike, you suppose to dey read as far as say you know say your exam dey come. Wetin I try to talk be say even many people go even dey the school, dem no dey serious. You understand?
That be wetin we dey talk now.
So
Make them make the thing serious.
They're not dey serious.
na the school authority na him wan make the student dey serious abi na when government reduce cut-off mark or government increase cut-off mark, e go make any person dey serious.
Wetin go make them
Person wey no dey
serious? Okay, help us now. Okay, help me.
Wetin
Wetin go make them serious for education?
na thing na from your mind. na e dey whether you wan make you dey serious for school or you no wan make you dey serious for school, na your mind e dey, no be government go make you dey serious for education.
So no be cut off mark too.
no be cut off mark. na mind
na
mind no be cut off mark.
So
Yes na even when they increase am to even 300, if some people even still get that cut off mark of 300, if they reach inside school, na e go determine whether you go read or you no go read. No be cut off mark, na go make people serious for education. Government, if education no dey your head, no be government go come put book for your head. If you like monkey, na carry monkey go anywhere you wan carry am go.
monkey na monkey.
Na monkey na monkey.
Na different thing entirely.
So
na you dey talk.
so cut off mark no get anything to do with.
Agree say yes. Na true say everybody no go go school. But that one go no wan go school. Who wan go school? He ready to go school and make government make am ready also to go school. If you know wetin wait Victor wait make I tell you something. Wait make I tell you something. If you know the effect of this reduction of cut-off mark for other countries wey even dey within Africa here, to dey compare your student, to dey compare your university student to other university wey dey your neighborhood, you go see am say dem don pass you for so many things. They don pass you for so many things. Like I talk before, now I still dey talk, and thank God Thomas even talk am. Country wey no put priority for education, na that country na im no go get better doctor, na im go get doctor wey go forget gauze, you go forget scissors inside person belle. Na that same country na engineer go do road, as they do am dey go, the road dey spoil, dey follow am. Na that same country now you go see pilot dey fly plane, you go use am go jump person house. Na that same country now you go see a lot of things wey be say we suppose get right, we go dey get am wrong. Not being dey happy for a country today.
No be that one.
Until our National Assembly come out with laws wey go increase the qualification for you to become president, for you to become vice president, for you to become governor, for you to become senator, house of reps, state house assembly member. Make dem increase the qualification. Until dem do am, we no go anywhere.
National House of Assembly go bring law just now. Wey go dey open people head. They go dey put book for inside.
They no get one person.
Okay, gentlemen, more look at like this. I don't know how all of us dey reason this matter, but I go beg to disagree with you, Victor.
And I saw me beg disagree with you
because my
government not get it.
I understand. But one thing me and they let us know, be say yes, any country when they educationally backward, that country say go they economically backward for everything. For me, that's not what me I say. Because whether you like it or not, like Hilary told just now, the thing when we say they move the world, now be ideas rules the world. Ideas rule the world, whether you like them or not. Ideas rule the world, and most of these ideas you get them because of say you are educated.
No.
Let not be inside plantation.
And even China where you believe in practical.
That is it now.
Before they do the practical, people don't go school. But their brain, anything that they do, that's where go school no go fit do.
See,
like that now.
You are talking about isolated cases. When you be
very minute, very half of 1 million.
If you say you carry basin of water now, put for ground. You can't drop one drop of water inside that water.
Irrelevant, very small. You don't even know
what I say. So what you trying to let us know that we say whether we like it or
is 50-50.
No, but Victor
is 50-50.
There's nothing like 50-50 there. I don't want to argue because I've only tried to let you know now. Say yes. If you get your education wrong, you don't get the whole system wrong. But whether you like it or not, there's nothing that you do today when you say education don't get through when you say play. And if you decide to lower the standard of education, why do they call standard? You get where you say you reach and you say this is the standard. And if you don't reach there, when you look what you say they happen, what they call global practices. Everything they get standard. And if they don't go up, see Victor, you don't take it and allow you to talk. You understand? So if you don't get to that standard, the blessing you don't go anywhere. People they talk of what you see. You see, if you look at the superpowers, North Korea, the other day they launched their what do they call them? Their missiles and the rest. You know? America come to say, let's not do this because it will cause wahala and the rest. Because what happen now, people don't already get it, they want to put their minds into tests. You understand? They say, let's not do it because it will cause on that wahala. What happen then? Technology. We go launch the other day, what they call a satellite into orbit the other day. Technology.
Yes.
Then you are telling me now, say, make we not do one, make we not go school, make they not put. You understand? Because if they tell you they reduce the cutoff, if they reduce the cutoff, you talk and say what to be education when be say person never chop. You talk and just now. Granted, say yes, say you go need them pari passu, but I dey like to let you know now. Say when we dey younger, not be now when be say anything. Now check go school, they come back. I know my house dey. I know this time beside the church. Now only until they check the go school, and that is the truth. Not be now be like say yes, say everybody by God's grace you don't get now. School don't hear you, or maybe your pikin you say you want carry them go school, or maybe you come later you dey for wetin I want to go do school run. You understand? At that time you no dey. Now our fathers when we say they no go school, and they say yes, say we must go school
because they know the value of education.
Education, that's why they say
they no fit go because school. The opportunity not there for them.
And if you don't go school, all your people go dey behind. And you go tell me now say yes, say all of us see what you talk just now. We dey produce graduates the way we say yes, they no go fit even express themselves publicly. With the produce guys, then we say no go fit even spell, they can't even read and write. And you're telling us say we are there.
Now here one come and say what's the name of your vice chancellor? You know what?
Why? Because of say yes, a lack of education. Lack of education. You dey for some, you know me say go come. There was a student one. This he go do one. He go do what did they call that? What did they do? IT for one place. They ask us which department is there. I think we carry at the office. That's I say now you there as an IT student. You've been here for about 4 or 5 months. What department are you? She don't even know the department. She don't know the department. You don't even know.
And our government calls that.
Government calls in what way?
And they ask you now.
Yes, now government calls now.
How?
Well, failure of education. Because you say there are lots of things.
He don't get anything for her.
Now,
what you say? He don't get anything for her. Don't talk say there is no value in education. Now he make all of them also don't see the reason why to the read.
Now he make a one bit of the reason this way too. Let me bit of the reason this way now. The question is only for education. That's what you are saying.
Wait, people,
you have a car by God's grace today.
Let's go to that matter.
Because of God's school.
Now because he goes school.
You understand? By God's grace, God don't bless us with children. What happen? We put on the universal school. Why don't you make your children there for having they don't go school?
They not go school.
No, tell me now. Whether we like them or not, like I talked before, because our parents, they know the value of education. They now go. They say, no, my pikin must go. Now be the thing. You cannot tell me just like this guy, my brother told you and say, because of one reason or the other, let's reduce the standard of education. Let's reduce the cutoff mark. When we say you go there. Even self, if you reduce the cutoff mark and all that category, I don't really tell you what is still one born tomorrow. One, no space to even put these people for there. When you pack they go. And secondly, they bring the cutoff mark come now, they can't block them again with post UME.
You know what you know?
You understand? They block them post UME. And this university, when we say they talk so now, all of them get their own cutoff mark before we say you go enter. And once you reach there now, if you don't meet that standard, that cutoff mark, you know, they won't give you admission for that post UME. By application now, they put the burden on the people. Now indirect tax.
Wait, they won't expect them now go to
indirect tax. Tell me they look this one. So indirect tax, because more people go there when I want to go pay the tax. When they reach the school now, you have to go and do that post UME. Want to do the post UME now? What will happen? You go pay money for that post UME. Though the federal government pay them at a maybe like say 2,000 naira and all that. And when you get millions of people, they want to say one come pay this 2,000 naira. You know what that means? And you know if you even force them on the school because the school will get how much you go collect.
Exactly.
You understand? Because when the school don't come, they can't collect them because they'll tell you say you go buy some, go do some. At the end of the day, supposed you go pay close to 10,000 naira because you want to do post UME, which is not even a guarantee. So they go say you go get admission. They go give you admission. You understand? And the federal government not tell the school say yes, say your post UME has to be like this. They don't put them. You go there, go do your post UME. Once you do them, you know that cutoff mark, you are going home. And if at all say all these people they come and say give the admission, where are you going to put them?
This cutoff mark now, I want to ask one question. 2 of you now.
Are they with you?
This cutoff mark.
If let's say we go allow people to call in.
Wait, this
the way they go for this matter. So.
This cutoff mark, when they talk about so. When they talk, say it not go help people. They talk say it not go make people
serious for education. Yes.
Serious for education.
Yes.
Or the way that they reduce you can't produce many graduates will not go get work. Which one are they for inside?
Not the same thing.
All of them, the same all of them.
You go produce graduates we not no book. Graduate will not go even fit spell the word graduate.
I'm the one will not go get work.
Wait. So graduate to get work. See, say you go school, you graduate, not be guarantee. Say you go get work. Otherwise, we don't get people who graduate.
Why?
Many years ago.
Why did they do interview? Wait for that. If at all now they come, listen now, 3 of us will go somewhere now. Or we go to somewhere. They'll say, okay, bring a come. I get first degree. I get first class for the division of what you call it. When we say all of us go read, the city all of us go read. Maybe for engineering.
Yes.
I get first class, you get first class, I get first class.
Yes.
BSc. You understand? It did like that. At the end of the day, you understand? Because okay, we know if we take all on 3. Now what person want to do? What did they prove now? They can't do interview.
Exactly.
The ability for you to prove yourself
for that interview.
For that interview, whether you get the job or not. And that is it. Because you know if you prove yourself after that your paper won't be said now, you are going home.
Yes.
Now be the thing I say, everybody don't already qualify now with 120 marks. They don't already qualify. Go and do post UME. You understand? Go to post UME now. If you know that cutoff mark, what be say do that this one the bit they give you for that school now, they don't give you admission. And when they don't give you admission, where be say you dey? Your money you don't pay, don't already collect on the school.
Don't waste.
It's not
because
refundable.
Not refundable.
You understand? The money don't already waste. What will happen now? The school authority don't already get this thing. And you yourself just say, not be 100 mark. If I do this thing, I pass, get 1 or 2 this thing, I'm okay now. Then you go this me, you go apply for polytechnic because you don't get 100 mark. by application, and when you get 25% for polytechnic now, you don't become pass. Because 120 now be 30%.
Yes.
So 100 now, by application, na 25%.
25%.
So you can go.
25%.
You don't already pass.
9% want to enter polytechnic.
And you tell me now, say, yes, there's nothing wrong with it. My people, maybe we'll take some course. You know the number to call us. I know CSA will not really tell us, we will not make this agreement before, but it good make we hear people view about this whole thing. I know my brother Akpos will help us they get the phone, so we will feel they put things right, maybe they get the cost, maybe see what people will talk about this matter when we say you consign, it pursue when we say concern cut-off marks. When we say yes, a person go take enter university or polytechnic now from 180 to 120, and they will say from that place they constantly reduce them to what they call 100 for polytechnic.
If university authority now they say if they want to take people for school maybe now 1,000, they can't do and tighten as now once, can't increase the number, can't reduce that to 10 people instead of 1,000. That 10 people. You want to tell me now, say out of that 10 people, at least if they do exam, 4 no go still fail for inside. Who go fail go still fail for inside?
Who go fail go still fail for inside? Who go fail go fail? Even if cut-off mark be 280. One thing I dey tell, we see, what thing we dey try let you know for this whole matter now is that reduction of cut-off mark for you to get admission into
reduction
in the educational quality for this country. I don't know whether you understand that. One, it go make students not to get the urge to read again. You go say, not be just 120.
How many they read? Even as we they talk, so how many they read?
How many they read?
How many?
I don't understand you.
How many? Since we they as it be before, how many?
People still they read.
You know the number.
People still they read.
People still they read.
When they talk to read.
Wait. You know the number to call 052290573. Just call the number. We will put you on 052290573. Once you call us, we will put you on. Make we hear your own side for this matter. When we say concern the cut-off mark when they reduce, come 120 for universities and 100 for polytechnic. So we will know how we say they go work out. The lines on the ring, we will take the course as they come. So I want to make a listen to now again before we say yes, we start to take the course.
Now go read. So not the cut-off mark. Now go make person serious for school, for education. Now who go read? Now go read. Who not go read? No go read. Who go serious? Now go serious. Who not want serious? No go serious.
It's okay, but I remember the last time I enter your house where your pikin come for school, they ask and say, you sure see the read so? Let me see your book and everything. Why they encourage and make you read?
My own to tell them make read.
Why they encourage and
if you like
make you read? You say go read, I go read. Why they encourage and make you read?
So go read, I go read.
Why they encourage and make you read? That's a very simple question. No, why do they encourage and make you read? Why?
No, make it become better person tomorrow.
Not be book go make person become better person. Not be education. Who go better. A lot of people did this country, wey not go school. They are well to do. They better. Not be
education.
Not be education. Not be education. Who go? When God don't talk say you go better.
So you don't know
anything at all.
No wahala.
That's the truth.
Okay, no problem. We'll take care.
Many people dey now.
Okay, no wahala.
Go street, go see professors now. Go see where they. Some professors dey for this town, this city. They use their waka.
Okay.
Say okay.
Wetin dey brain you fit talk.
Wetin dey brain? Why you not use am take do something make get money?
We talk. We'll take some course before then. We'll take small.
No, what did the book wey you read? Why you not use am do am make get money?
We'll take small break.
But people wey no get money, wey no go school, they get money. Not be just na destiny.
We'll take small break. We'll come back continue for where we say we stop. We'll just take small break. We'll take this message.
It's very enlightening and educative.
Those wey dey do bad, wanna remove hand for batting.
Easy gun for ITV
every Friday by 10:30 p.m.
My people, wanna they watch Izigan o. Nato.
Watch Izigan for this station every Friday by 10:30 p.m.
Things dey happen o. The best say the guy just dey for pikin. Wetin happen to am? Wetin happen to am?
Don't born big baby.
Hey! Wetin happen to the guy? He wife just put to bed. The wife born. The wife born. He born pass the big girl. The guy just dey happy, but this life na wow. Some people dey happy, while some people dey cry. My brother, na joy. Eh? Joy. Which kind joy? Joy, happiness. Iyo. This na this siwo. Things dey happen o. Isa o. Okay. Hey!
Soon, waiting they happen.
There is no light.
We dey talk say we will take some course, know the logis matter well the way it's supposed to be, and we'll take the course as they come. Don't forget the number to call 052290573. 052290573. And people they tell us say, hey, we're here. Why? What you be talking? Somebody they like, hello, good morning.
Good morning, my brother.
We dey hear you, my brother.
No, calling. The issue of land is a very simple one. Before now, in the northern part of this country, their own cut-off mark there is quite different from our own cut-off mark for who is southern part. The same thing is associated with that of the western part. Because they are with the raw regional cut-off mark. But if you still check where, as the northern cut-off mark low reach, 88% of the educational intellect who get for this country who really know book, they are from the north. That will tell you that it is not an issue of cut-off mark. Even the university of university who get university state address, the way they take in students is not even from the cut-off mark that JAMB they put or what. In their own procurement, they do it based on what they think say they want. So JAMB only give equity based on the cry people from the south, another part of the country. Give us an equal playing field. If we are using 120 in the north, it should be brought to the south.
Okay, I want to ask my brother, now the lowering of it now go make the education go, now go make a day standard or what?
Lower rate, what is so? It not affect anything.
Okay.
It not affect anything at all.
Okay.
When the university wants to use, then they want to use. University already get a number of people they want to take. Two, they already set up their own modalities of taking those people. If you like put their cut-off mark for 300, the same people who will be pass that year will pass, eventually will still reject the passport.
Okay.
I see a situation where somebody who is called 230 for JAMB, he go down to CME. Somebody who is called 270 for JAMB, go down to CME. Who is called 230 was taken, and now it's called 270 was rejected. So the cut-off mark 120 is a very welcome development. But it's quite unfortunate that Nigerian educational system don't be faster there to the extent that because they don't do and like say, okay, oh yeah, let my people go. But university has the final say of putting up what we call the modernities.
You hear what you talk now. You say the education said already they bastardized. So you go and say let my people go. Exactly. Let somebody else maybe say he come on that, no take on that call and everything. You see what you talk now. Yes. He said because the city already they bastardized. Okay. Don't stand there. Not to somebody there. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning. Will they hear you?
Yeah. Good morning.
What will be your name, oh?
Yeah, I mean, Ozazua from the name.
Okay, we'll deal with you.
First I want to talk for the matter to say, either they reduce cut-off mark or they increase them. Now, which is better thing? One, two. Not the one, two.
Okay.
We have a lot of persons who they say, even if they score higher for jump, at the end of the day, they go out to pursue me. They're not even meet up with pursue me. Those persons who they won't get any marks for the jam. If they go out to the offense their way, they'll lobby their way enter. We know this thing say universities they try lobby people in, whether you know or you don't know. So for educational system for Nigeria, when they buy our slot in, now only for those persons who they say God just stand for, that they get admission to our university. I'm not even talk of the cut-off myself. If you check what is the happen for schools these days, now poor man not to go to school again. The university they don't make up for rich man. Let's imagine when they increase school fees and all of that stuff. Imagine say we they have to be on strike now. They're never talking about ASU strike. They talk about cut-off mark. We think cut-off mark got to do with how universities constantly expensive. Imagine say 2017.
Okay, now that line you still bring come out, so let's take on that call. You say you no get problem with the cut-off mark too. Just like this, you say, but now the admission process now be the thing again. We'll take on that call. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
We're there with you.
These are Abu Martin.
You say?
Abu Martin. Good morning.
Okay, we're there with you. What will be your contribution?
Yes, for the 120 cut of my the federal government of Abidjan job. So now that I don't think it's a real problem because they even give the university the go ahead to put their cut of mark the way they want me to be. And if you look at before what they even make at 180 in the previous years, how many universities they will pay this long? They say they do what they want to do. Let's give them. Let's give them can never think anything less than 200. And moreover, the policy even comes because the change of institution and change of course whether they do after jam that was already passed. Whether you get 120 or 180 before you won't change anything, change your institution, and not just it will be happen again because it seems very fast. So the university need to know the number of students they won't take. And inside that one, even people even try get the accurate cut of man when the university even need. How many of them they access? And then you will see VC list, you will see honorable list, different list for inside. It will not be all of them where you will get the accurate number when they want it before even get it.
Okay, thank you very much, my brother. You do well and everything. Me, I say we go take small break. Okay, I'm going to take the last call before I continue for where BC we say, okay, no call. Now, you see what those people they talk now, whether we like them or not, at the end of the day, who is coming to take the brunt? Now, the people they want to say go there. Exactly. I don't tell you just now, say indirect tax. Now they come so. Because look at now, they reduce the cut-off mark. As you talk now, more people will come. So they want to admission.
Give power to universities to determine how they want to
give the admission.
Exactly.
Now, by the time you say you reach there with 100 or 120 now, more people will come because unlike before be 180, many people know they.
Yes.
Now more people don't come now. And now when they come now, you collect whatever you want to collect for their hand now. That one don't do because which is all refundable. Now they're already there. When that one did there like this, but they say, okay, go and do the post-UME. When we want to do post-UME now, what will happen now? They get their own cut-off mark. When they go use them before you you go enter the school. Exactly. Because don't be direct entry now. No. You have to go through the post-UME. That one before you go reach there. At the end of the day, even if there are 20 they won't take now, 20 they go still take. You understand? Exactly. Because they take more than that 20, they don't even get space to accommodate them. You understand? So by application, where they lead us to? Nowhere. Because if you look at the education, this is the foundation already. It already decay. It already get issues.
You know what me I go even suggest to federal government? May they scrap the JAMB. As you just write your O level.
Once
you get your required credit for the subject. Just go university, go write their exam.
No, we don't need to even write the
that time, universities go to set exam to admit people enter university. Okay. Because like the callers don't talk on those now. One, the very first caller, he bring the fact say 85% of the people who know people for this country, they be from the north. I totally disagree with them. But now your own word with that. You understand? If you they say na not, now then go book pass. What you want talk of Ekiti here where we say house to house, then they compete. 10 professors they with this house. The next house 20 professors they.
It just because of say some states the way BCSA person go need to pick a way someone to talk.
Yes,
you understand. For because some people when BCSA they for that part of the world now or of the country, they give them some kind of priorities in a way.
We're not supposed.
You understand? So now make a blessing the call looker. Because of my friend they tell me just now say before for some parts. You understand? For part of the country, say as it be, say they get low distance. The other part of the country, say they get higher one.
Then when person talk, you say I hate speech.
You understand? Wait first that he said because of that one, and then because they low down, so everybody could just low down, and the rest of that. What is going to happen to the standard of the education that time?
Yes.
That be the thing because what did they do? What is they supposed to do? They say yes, say who if you go school, you go no fit go make it rest. Because they put up for that 180. They will raise all of them. That lower one for raise that to 180. If you don't say no fit go school, you go no fit go. When you dey 180, may you wait. Okay. If you don't say no fit go, anything you be say want to go do, go do. If you be say yes, say now you want to go do cattle heading or cattle ready, go.
Otherwise, because go do mechanic. Because not everybody will go school now they better for life. As yes, that's true. So there no need reducing the cut off mark. So increase that for the intellectuals to fit to read
make it go. Because this was what they say they want to they beg one section of people say I beg we could go to school.
Because they don't see where the country they go. That is this time they come whether they reduce cutoff mark to 20 time they come. We get children now wey don dey abroad they go school where their brain they compete with Oyibo for there for invention.
Even the Oyibo.
Wait, make I talk to you. You know how you use yourself to compare them. You know how you use yourself to compare them. You understand? You not go. There is a big difference between who go school and who not go school. If you 12 understand, you know if you present yourself for public, it means say you not dey educated. You see where group of people gather that they speak big English, you run come out say now be say you not go school. You cannot compete yourself with them.
Complex must dey.
You must dey inferiority complex must come. We don't get children, we don't get brothers and sisters. When don't see say the educational sector of this country don't die. If they die, they go make them come out.
It varies.
Forget time of variation. Okay, forget time of variation.
It varies now. If you don't go school, you know what it mean varies. If you don't go school now, you know the meaning of varies. Wait, it varies.
I tell you. You say English. When they talk of English. You don't feel express. You don't feel talk. They talk of English. We are that one where you know this life where we dey so. When you go dey talk, say you go school. Who not go, when you go dey talk, they who get money go dey talk with money.
May use money talk. You get where money to carry and reach.
You
go school. You get where your school carry you. The Bible. Listen. The first way we dey go for this country now.
Bible. He say money. Money
answereth all things.
You see
how the root of all evil.
Listen, the guy is not for talk. The education answereth all things.
Man, I tell you one thing.
For you to know.
Listen now. Man, I tell you one thing now. You see the decay in the society.
Not the decay.
Listen now. That make how they get like Evans the kidnapper.
Yes.
That make how they get Bishop. Where we say yes, they go to look for. Where we say they drug whatever.
Exactly.
Because what the cat because you know they ask they say where you getting your money. People they cash one body the other day now. What happen now? You go to
education.
Wait first now.
People do yahoo now. Not be school where they go. Upon the school they go now. Now yahoo now to steal people money through
Okay.
That one a good thing.
Wait, may you listen now.
Because you bring the Evans.
I can tell you now. May you listen. You go.
You see what people. Even the Oyibo they talk about. So now the Oyibo go school.
See, Victor,
the one wey no go school not dey there.
Yes,
even in China, the one wey go school, the one wey no go school, na the ones wey go school, na dem plenty pass. And na the society, na dem dey drive wetin dey happen. Na dey tell wetin dey happen with their brain, with their inventions, with their my brother. No dey talk all those kind of things. I beg you.
You know, you see wetin dey there be say, e go dey too poor say our country.
This brain.
If person get money, Victor, may you listen. May you
so everybody.
May you listen. May you think. May you listen. Because if you say you don't want to listen now, it can't be. May I tell you what? Now we don't do for society where like say we dey look and say who get money, na him be king. You understand? That's why we say nobody dey care to ask person say how you still get your money. You go just go outside, come back. The next one be say oh but that guy don't touch. The guy don't hammer. The next one they call a chair. It's a chair. And all that. Now be waiting if be say the warrior for this society when be say with that we need to correct. Now be waiting to talk and say if whether you get money, you no get. Say they would tell us a portion of the Bible where they tell us say money answereth all things. I won't let you know whether we like them or not. Until we start to change all these things then. Like they tell me now say I tell people say some proverb they when we say don't they archaic.
Don't they arcade?
All those proverbs, you know if you use them now.
Money all things. Ideas rule the world.
I tell you one thing. They tell you now. Somebody just say a person will take meat, when take teeth, say cut meat. They don't know the one big part. Make you get decide that the moment take teeth. So the only person the one be say the
only person will go school now they get idea.
We never tell you that.
We not tell you that.
But what are the lessons?
You say idea.
Your idea when we say you go get. Your idea when we say you get, when we say you no go school. The only time we say Baba God give you. When we say you get some kind of native idea. When we say you don't get where we say will carry you go. Or somebody come and say somebody call me brush and wear. No, listen now. Somebody go brought that idea. When somebody go brought that idea for you before you say yes, you go nowhere. Be say you did. And then many people say we'll spend the whole of our time for this matter. Be like say we go look what we say we go more talk more about our people that when we say yes is day for this thing because time no be our friend. They go they get a sign say the time don't they go. But we go more talk about one thing. We dey see our drains now. When we say we get. Rain dey fall all the time now. Or those are people that they block drains. If you look at now where be say wahala dey for start, now be all this one. I know say yesterday we go get OTB so want to talk my Hillary.
I get. Now the same ideas when we talk about.
Okay.
Because person will get ideas. He go know say rainy season dey come. Make him prepare wait time. Inside last 2 weeks here, I see that they do kangaroo desitting of drains for around those places where they sell coffee.
They do desitting of drain.
Kangaroo desitting.
No, they do desitting.
They desist and finish. They complete the job. No. They don't complete it. And the rain will fall for 5 minutes past 5 this morning till even now we see the drizzle small. See that road now. See the road. Then with the talk of say education, say it don't make sense. It don't make sense. Wait, my brother, wait. Now when you reach your time to talk, you talk your own. Kangaroo desitting of drainages. It happened. When I see that they deceit and I was happy, say, oh, thank God. Because those drains, they dig very deep to channel water go wherever they send them. But they do it for 2 days, they leave the rest. They not even do one lane finish. They know how much say they want to enter the other side. Then we say we want to get them right as a country. We say we want to get them right as a state. Whoever not talk, we not say na hate speech. Now they hate speech. They hate speech. What if they hate speech? Say government not do something we're supposed to do. You tell them. Now that be hate speech. Say government they act. They act in body languages. They directly they tell us they favor one side of the country to another.
Wait.
You say na hate speech.
Boss. May you listen them. We will talk about the drainages. How we take make sure say you know block. How we do things. They make rain dey fall. How go see where go pass.
Government must be responsible.
They should be proactive.
Government will not be either proactive or government must be responsible for everything where they happen for a state and country. I don't already talk about before now. Government should set up a task force. Not be say equal people. People will know waiting in need to keep Edo State clean. Because we see they drive inside this city, we they see people chop waiting they chop finish inside their motor, throw away and come out. I don't stop, pick one at one time.
You talk the same.
I follow the motor where he go park. Now, who throw this thing come and say, man, I take put inside your bag. if you reach house, go put am for your dustbin. Because if everybody wey dey inside car begin dey do am chua, we no go see anywhere stay. Government should set up a task force wey go just dey monitor around town. Any person wey you see say you throw something come inside motor, arrest am, carry am go court. No fine without option of fine. Na that time we go ready to take discipline on our own, because government don ready to tell us say wetin it takes to be disciplined as a state, im get am. Then during dry season, as rain fall finish this year, every dry season government should make sure they deseat all the drainages in the state.
Okay, no be when rain don start.
No be when rain don start you come dey deseat. You go deseat am, you no go come evacuate am.
No.
When the rain fall again, you wash your back inside the drain.
Like the one wey dem dey do for Oselu that day, as dem dey remove the sand from the gutter, na so dem dey
evacuate am, dem do am finish.
Let me tell you the problem of that place if you no know.
If gentlemen, wetin I dey try to wetin the thing I bring here now, how we go take do am make e be say our gutters no dey blocked.
Especially that Oselu, if you see adjoining streets wey enter, when rain dey fall, try make you visit that place, make you see the way water
dey pack come out,
dey pack sand come out from all these adjoining streets. Tunsa Street.
Okay, they do the road way enough pack sand come out from adjoining streets.
Wait, may you let me talk. At least to solve the problem of that place, at least maybe 60% or 70%. If the state government go fee on their own, carry all these streets wey lead to that Oselu, that road, they will fit tie them, put drains. It will solve the problem.
So that they will bring less sansan.
Because sansan
go reduce.
Yes, sansan go reduce.
I know.
You know, just the food the way they.
I know. But you know, go say me rain not carry sansan.
So when all those places they tied, where you want see sansan?
Even as they not get money to time, I because economic meltdown. They're not going to feel a deceit drainage.
No. See, he know there get what you talk. Blessing to know you understand.
We understand each other.
To bring a better answer.
Yes.
That's your own way you talk every time in a deceit. You go address the problem.
Which is much cheaper.
Listen now, you go address the problem. He said, but when you go further, you tar these roads then. You understand?
That's operational earth road.
So
they go tell you say money not there.
When you wait now, they not go say money not there. Because this government won't be say day for those, you know the complaint say money no deal. Okay. If they do the whole thing the way be say yesterday, because you know the way they go around and now say you want to do this, you want to do that. Now they call them we can see government. You understand? So, but even they tell us say see this place when we say they do so, you don't try but go this side. A better way to address. If Dr. say the timing for the decision of this thing of the gutter, you say they wrong. They would have done it during dry season. Number two, as they do, I mean, they pack and come out because rain when we say the phone, I feel wash them back. Let me wait till you talk.
Exactly.
Because you talk and say yes, but you still talk and say wisdom there inside, but the timing is wrong.
Yes.
That's not what you talk. So if you talk out and say yes, he agree to what you talk, but to get better result, enhanced result, may they try, may they do the road, may they tar the roads. Now go to the talk. So I say road now between the talk, but all the same, my brother talk before say make we try. This one be say we take it for motor. Make we need to throw the comma for motor. We not to say rain the form we carry the people for side this thing because water the pass and play make water carry the dirty go for side gutter. It go block at the end of the day. And by the time we say yes, the city don't block at the end of the day now. Those who no be put on there, but the next one we say we go do, we go crash yes, government come help us, government come help us. Anyway, now here we end the program today. We want to talk about the when we say be part of the program. Now when we say call. And people that won't be like say yes, we sorry say yes, we don't get the full dose of the program. No be our fault. Get some things that won't be say happen. Thank God say yes, you will still reach us. And at the time when we say we pray say by next week you will get a bumper package of the program when we say all the fault can enjoy and well. On behalf of my brother Victoria, I know say get you want to talk. Say education no good again, Abi.
No, I not talk say education no good. But waiting at the top is say government, not be government they put book for person head.
Okay. Next week
we'll see.
My name is Thomas Adewo. Next week, that we go say again. Don't forget, person in Gallo if they carry for that, put the help and do.